Hi friends, I want to show you this new wallet. Came in this box. You open it like this, and inside is the wallet that comes with this beautiful bag. You can see the texture is soft, and this is the wallet. It's small and practical. If you use a small bag every day, this wallet is for you. You can put your cards, your credit cards right here in these compartments. Have 3 and have another one here, and you can put your cards or another papers here. So here you can put your cash. Have so much space here, and have this zipper for your coins. You can put it inside. The color is beautiful and the size is perfect for you. I highly recommend this wallet. See you.